people, what's going on? Welcome back. Man, so today, man, got this little pool party situation that I want to slide out to. And it's a good opportunity to go ahead and take the SS out. So these are my confessions. The SS ain't been out all summer, man. Only because I wanted to, get that transmission joint situated, and then of course, our primary focus right now is the Malibu. You know what I mean? So, I've been kind of neglecting my baby. So, anywho, we're gonna slide out to this thing, but I want to get it cleaned up and make sure it's situated, because it need to be washed. It need to be washed bad. Stuff all on it, oil all on it, the whole nine. So we're gonna get it cleaned up, man. And then one more thing, like it wouldn't even start. It wouldn't even start yesterday. So I'm pretty sure it's out of gas. So we're finna slide out, go get some gas, back it up, get it clean, get all the grass and all the little dust mites and stuff off of it. And then we're gonna slide out, you did. But before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops, you did. So let's get at it. Bye. Ooh. Oh. Bring him to the road. You gotta spend $20 just to put it in a jug, boy, I tell you. Crazy. Trump said he was gonna lower the gas price, but you know what I'm saying? But that ain't happening no time soon, I see. Alright, so I'm gonna get this thing in here. Yeah, I mean, the jug heavy, but let's go get it filled up real quick. Getting it clean, getting it bust down for the day. Sheesh. It's hot out here. Trying to be in the shade, but it ain't working. I got a little bit going right now, so I'm gonna knock this out. Got all the cleaning supplies. Let's see what little brush thing got. Tire, bro. Ooh. Let's get with it. Alright, y'all. So, it pool party ready. Gonna slide. Oh, you already know we gotta take them tees off. Gotta take them tees off. See how I wanna do this. Get hot, man. Alright. Yeah. Up this bad boy. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go and take these off real quick. I don't think it's gonna rain, but I want to take them just in case. Yeah, so I'm gonna take these off and be right back with y'all. You did. Alright, man, finna get up this road, man, real quick, man. So, got a lot to do. Stop, get ice, all that good jazz, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, definitely outside with it today, though. My baby ain't had no sunlight since the 99 and the 2000. Woo. So, All right, y'all. Let me get with it. Hit y'all back. Doing extra good right now, man. Had them parked it for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Chilling from place to place to place to place. And I'm talking about, when I say my baby sold up. Sold up. Ooh, what that sun look like? Yeah. Sold up. Real. You did. So I'm pleased with her. 100%. Yeah, man, shout out to my homeboys, man. You know what I'm saying? They did their thing, you know what I'm saying, with the whole transmission situation. You know what I mean? It's not one drop coming from this bad boy. And I love that. I love that for her. I love that for me, and I love that for her. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got to keep teetering and all this good stuff. However, I will say there is a modification that I truly want to go ahead and get rid of, you know what I'm saying, the constant hassle. And that's gonna be that Holley EFI system. Like having to keep, because I don't really know a whole lot about like the standard cars. I done tried to kind of tweak it, this, that, and the third, and that whole timing, try to tweak it, that whole nine, and it don't be working out, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, man, I think I'm gonna go and bite the bullet, get the EFI set up, but I want the complete setup. So I want the, you know, the carburetor, the distributor, the whole nine, you know what I mean? That way it could be like tunable on an easy tip, having to keep, you know, teetering with it, man. But other than that, this bad boy ready, man. So I'm gonna go and get her to the house. And man, I appreciate all the love and the support. I know I've been kind of like suspect, this, that, and the third, with driving the car, the whole nine. But I'm back with it. I'm back with it, and I'm gonna keep on teetering. You know what I mean? All this good stuff with it. Well, not with this one, but with the Malibu, per se. You know what I mean? So like, once we get the Malibu situated, I know it's a little car. That cop done came by me. And so like, once we get the Malibu situated, you know, that's gonna be our primary ordeal. Right now, the only reason why the Malibu ain't like moving, because I'm waiting on the machine shop to get back with me with the motor. You know what I mean? So once they get back with me with the motor, trust and believe, I got everything I need to go ahead and put it back together. Mine is like some welding situation, but that's, hey, to be continued. That's gonna be for next episode, man. But without further ado, man, I appreciate y'all for real, you know what I mean? Sticking with your boy. Love y'all. Hey, we out. You dig?